Epithelial to mesenchymal transition is a biological process that happens all over the body in developmental stages like tissue regeneration, embryogenesis, or even healing wounds, which are all known as type 1 and type 2 EMT. Not only that, but epithelial to mesenchymal transition is a bidirectional process, meaning that mesenchymal cells can revert back to epithelial cells, more formally known as mesenchymal to epithelial transition, or MET. One of the unfortunate things about epithelial to mesenchymal transition is that cancer cells can take advantage of this process for metastasis, a type 3 EMT, which is the development of a secondary malignant growth not located at the primary site of cancer. Normally, during epithelial to mesenchymal transition, the epithelial cells that are located just behind the basal lamina can lose their polarity and their cell-to-cell adhesion. More specifically, with the absence of the apical polarity complex, the E-cadherins, catenins, and actins that hold these cells together fall apart due to signals from paracrine factors like cytokines and ECM. As this happens, the cell-to-cell adhesions are broken and the basal lamina is dissolved, which allows for the mesenchymal cells to eventually be released, while the surrounding epithelial cells join together. As a result of this, they gain the ability to migrate as well as obtain properties that allow them to become mesenchymal stem cells. These stem cells are multipotent stromal cells, which means that they can differentiate into a variety of cell types like liver cells or even muscle cells. This is important since it is necessary for most living organisms to develop. This process is also seen taking place in neural crest cells. While the neural tube just above the notochord, the neural crest cells tend to proliferate off the top end of the neural tube, away from the notochord. During chick gastrulation, the medial cells undergo epithelial to mesenchymal transition as well. The cells that transitioned into mesenchymal cells begin to form the mesoderm between the basal lamina and hypoblast, where these cells can differentiate and progress the development of the chick embryo. It is easy to see the importance of epithelial to mesenchymal transition and the role it plays in many developmental processes, as well as providing protection to the body.